This may sound a bit strange, but good design doesn't actually start with designing. And even if I ignore this now, my ideas, they can end up all over the place. And it comes down to one very important step that you do not want to skip, and that step is defining the creative direction. And I've partnered with Adobe Creative Cloud Pro to show you my process, and this is where Firefly Boards comes in. So what is Firefly Boards and why is it so useful? Well, with Firefly Boards, I can quickly organize and explore different ideas, remix directions, and try to figure out which direction I want the design to go. And instead of guessing, I can build out a clear visual direction and then move forward with a lot more confidence. So there's a quick overview of what it is. Now let's take a closer look at how to actually use it. So I'm now in Firefly, specifically Firefly Boards, and here I can import all of my ideas and inspiration into one place. So for this project in particular, you can see me just bringing all of this in. So I have icons, photos, colors, this can be typography, just anything that could inspire you or that you think is relevant for the project. And this is a great way to curate and organize all of those rough ideas. And you can freely move these images around, or you can group related images together. And the Mosaic Arrange feature lets you select and group loads of images in one go, and you can adjust the spacing between them horizontally and vertically. And this is fantastic if you have images all over the place and you just want to group them into a nice clean block. And of course, if you'd rather generate images and ideas from a written prompt, you can do that here as well. So let's go and type something and I'll show you how this works. Photo of modern modular housing. There we go, that makes sense. Let's click generate and we'll give it a second to load. And there we go, we have our image. And now we can select this and we can go and place this on the canvas. So let's go and click here, and then we can click wherever we want this to appear. And there we go, we have our generated image. Now, something else you can do is select multiple images and then remix these existing ideas into entirely new ones. So for this, you can see I have my newly generated image and an existing image. I can select both and choose the remix option, and then just go into an empty space over here, click, and then Firefly Boards is going to generate me some new images based on a combination of the selected images. And this can be great for generating new ideas and inspiration from existing images. Now I'm going to start cherry picking some of the images from this collection, and these are things that I think are most relevant for the brief and the direction of this project. So I'm going to drag the ones that inspire me the most just over here on the right-hand side. So I think these are going to give a really good direction for this project. And then I can group these over here. Let's try and keep everything nice and organized. And I'm just using a few here to demonstrate this as an example. You might have a lot more, but then we can select everything and choose collect items, and it will pop all of these onto an artboard. And I can then give that artboard a name. So we'll just call it chosen direction. And then we can go and download the entire artboard as a JPEG. Now, once I've exported all my inspiration behind my chosen direction, this is where I'd move on to sketching ideas in Photoshop and then refining the finished designs in Illustrator. So for this next bit, I might have this up on a separate screen somewhere, and then on my pen display, I'll start sketching out ideas. So you can see me here with my first design. I'm trying to combine the letter H with a house, and I'm going to try and get the M in there somewhere. And this is the part of the process where I just freely sketch ideas. These don't need to look shiny and polished. They just need to show me whether an idea is worth pursuing. And you can see a few more iterations here. And then what I'll do is refine my chosen direction in Adobe Illustrator. So you can see me here working on the type. So I'm going to customize this letter H, and I'm going to do a custom letter M as well that you may have seen me sketching a moment ago. And with this whole project being around modular housing, I decided very early on that I wanted the logo itself to be modular. And this will enable it to work in a variety of different locations. Now here, what I'm doing is using the Shape Builder tool to create a pattern. And this is just one piece here, and then I can repeat this to turn it into a seamless pattern. So we have the secondary logo here where we have the two words stacked in that modular fashion. I'm going to introduce an accent color that's going to be the yellow. And then I need to create the reversed out version as well. So we have a dark logo on a light background and vice versa. And I've also created a business card, and you can see that tiled pattern being used there as well. And then to really finish off the presentation of this project, I've created a variety of different mock-ups that showcases all of the design work as if it were being used in the real world. And you can even jump back into Firefly if you want to quickly create these mock-ups for yourself. So if you want to try this for yourself and refine your creative direction, you can get 50% off your first 3 months of Creative Cloud Pro, and I'll pop a link in the description below. Oh, that was a good rhyme, Tan. And if you've got any questions about Firefly or my process in general, let me know in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one.